Welcome back to another week at school. So this week our theme has changed again, and our topic for the week is Arts Week. So I've decided to focus that around our pupils' names and their experiences around their names. So we'll start with our art piece first. So hopefully you should have your piece of paper with the name written on it. So I have to have two, and not get away with just doing one. So they're for my girls at home. And then you need some coloured paint, any colours you like, same colours, different colours, whichever you like. And I am going to quickly just blue tacked on the back, stick them to your surface or your tray, what have you. It would probably be a good idea to have a table covering and a covering for yourself or for your young person. And then all you need to do is pick your paint colours and just do a blob in each of the letters. I might do a couple. One the other than expected. There we go. And then we're going to go green for this one as well. So Esme has got red, orange, yellow and green. Might pop a little bit more red on it actually. I don't know how far that will go. So you squish them on. Oh. Just a blob. Oh. And then let's see, for Ava we might put some green again. Tiny little blobs. Some blue. And then we'll stick some red on. Now the next bit is going to be the tricky bit. Take these out of the way. So I'm going to try put some cling film over your bits of paper. Doesn't have to be neat, obviously. Then we're going to tape your cling film down. This is to stop it moving and escaping and to stop you, hopefully, from firing paint all over your home. Might also be a good idea to do this one outside. We shall see. And then just making sure that we keep it like this. There we go. And then we'll do the same with this one. Okay. Now this would be a good experiment. I've not done this one before. And already I'm wondering whether I've got enough paint or not. But we shall see. You can always sneak a bit more in. So once you've set it up like that, then it's just an opportunity for you or your child, your young person, to just squish it around underneath the cling film. Rub, squish. Yeah, maybe a tiny bit more paint, I think. There we go. That. You can put whatever, the same colour all the way along, some lovely rainbow colours like this. You can squish them into one another so they merge. So then we have a couple of squishy bits of art. Take our cling film off. And hopefully underneath. Let's see. Okay, so peel them off the table. Decorated. Their name in pretty colours. Now you can just about still see the marker pen underneath. So maybe I would do it a bit thicker to start off with, but of course also when it dries you can always go over it again. That's a bit more difficult, just looks like 3 splodges. So yeah, so it's a chance to let your son or daughter obviously just have some free reign and some squishiness, and then once it dries I'm going to go over it with another black marker, and there's their names done. Right then, let's pop these over here to dry. And then ready for our messy play. So need some water. Lots of ingredients for this one. There we go. So we've got and a mixer. So what we're going to do is hopefully make some rainbow fluff again to link in with Donald Doss's name. I've just found it's got some magnetic letters, but if you've got any foam letters like bathtub type letters or big plastic letters, anything like that that you can put in something, it doesn't matter if it gets all covered in foam, that would be grand. And then we've got some food colouring, some sort of baby safe shampoo or bath stuff, obviously just in case it gets in eyes and what have you. So the recipe, let me just double check my notes. It's 2 parts water to 1 part your bubble bath. So I'm just going to use a cup. There we go. So there's our bubble bath. And then 2 pints of water. And then food colouring. So then we're going to add our food colouring. So again, you can use the liquid food colours. I've just got some sort of paste ones. Whichever you have to hand, really. As many or as few colours as you like. So let's see. Just wondering if we've got the yellow. And I'll do blue. That's kind of good already. What else have we got? Green. Put in. And orange. You're just blopping your food colourings into the water and bubble bath mix. We have some red. And finally, I'm going to go violet. Goodness. Right, so I'm just going to absolutely everywhere. So at the moment, there's not really much to see. I can't really show anything at the moment. Let's have a look. So we've got our whisk. With it and with it and with it. So you start with foam. Make a bit of a mess. And then we just want to scoop your foam into your tray. Oh yeah, definitely should have gone the apron and table covering route, I think. Also, as you've seen, my colourings haven't taken, so what I'm going to do is get all the froth into the tray and then just do it directly in the tray. Every day's a school day, so as you may have guessed, I didn't get a chance to try this one out first, but I think the foam bit's definitely worked. Scoop our foam off. There we go. I've got a lovely tray full of foam. Right there. Let's get that out of the way. Now let's. Oh, I have made a mess. Never mind. There we go. dipping my lolly sticks back in. What have we got here? There we go. So I've got, you can see it. Difficult to show you without, sploshing it everywhere and tipping it over myself, which I probably like to do. So we do have some foam with some different rainbow colours, and then obviously your child, young person, can have their hands in it, or you've got some different tools here. So I've got a whisk, and carry on with your mixing, mix your colours. There's some tongs and scoops, and then you can just see if you can find the letters of your name. So what have we got? Oh no, I can't see what the letters are. So you can scoop out the letters, and then obviously you can play with the letters on magnetic board, or compare them to your artwork, or just generally play and have a good messy time. So here we go, here's some more of our letters there. And that is it for this week, really. So it's very, very messy, very rainbowy, and I hope you have a lot of fun, and I look forward to seeing what everyone else does throughout the week. Okay, take care, bye.